can you imagine combining the power of these two fantastic and already popular machines, the MetalWise plasma cutter as well as the handheld laser welder combination tool? Well, guess what, gentlemen? We have just worked out that you can in fact combine these two machines. With all the power that this guy has and the versatility behind this plasma, well, you are basically going to jump into the league of being able to do 3D work based on drawing vectors and DXF files with this combination. So why would you want to do this? Simply put, this gives you the ability to do so many more things outside of just having one of these units. You can now combine them and literally put yourself in a position where not only can you do all of your welding and your welding cleaning, but you now have the accuracy of introducing a CNC bed. Alternatively, if you already have the MetalWise and it's now time to jump in and include something like the Versatile, having this guy is absolutely fantastic, but having the addition of the Versatile is going to give you the ability to do your welding, your rust removal, and all the other features. Now let's show you how exactly this works. So if you're doing some finer work and you're looking to chase after some detail rather than cut by hand, well, this combination is absolutely fantastic. Head over to AM Demo Center and let us show you how this combination works, because it's really innovative and you get to play with some more toys.